Today we're in a 2026 Grand Wagoneer Limited. Now before you think, oh my god, I looked at those when they first came out and they were well over $100,000. Well, they've rebranded, repriced. This is a really nice equipped rig for under $80,000. Surprise, spring is in the air. Thought we'd come somewhere where we could maybe work out some frustrations. Just don't tell Bob. Straight up. Yep, need more practice. For somebody who needs the space, this is a nice one to have. Still got your moonroof, still got your air rides. This one has the heads-up display. Obviously you have your nav, then you got your wireless Android Auto, Apple CarPlay as well. It does have the heated and ventilated seats up here. Macintosh audio. And down here is your parking sensors. This is technically where it'll parallel and perpendicular park. Electronic stability program, flashers, lane departure. This will shut off at the stoplights. You do have the quadra-lift suspension in this as well, so you can raise and lower your suspensions. All right, if you're interested in this Grand Wagoneer we drove today, give me a call. My name's Duke. Give me a call at Anderson Dodge, Chrysler, Jeep, and Ram.